So today is an interesting day. We have an issue with our main editing computer and gonna try to fix it. So what happened is that we decided we were gonna take one of the computers that were already here and upgrade it. Easy enough. I've worked on computers, not a big deal. Well, a little more of an issue than we thought. So we tried to install the new video card, the new power source, the upgraded RAM. The RAM was easy, no big deal. Put in the video card, can't load the driver. Access denied, access denied. Gonna try it again today to see what we can get figured out so we can get this machine up and running so we can continue to bring you guys videos. At worst, we might have to take it somewhere, just not sure yet. And if we have to take it somewhere, you guys know, there's always that possibility of losing everything, right? So we'll see. We'll see what happens today. So we're gonna see if we can get this figured out, because I don't know what else to do. Like, I am freaking out.
But there's a bunch of shops that are, I mean, I don't know the one, I don't want to go just to any shop. So I don't want to run into a problem. Just, like I said, call around some shops and, talk to the guys there and see what they can tell you. You know what I mean?
So here's what happened. Apparently he tried to put a video card in about a year ago, and he had an issue with the driver. Just use it the way it was, but it basically did not allow him to use dual monitors. And we were going to have one built for us, but then we thought, why don't we just update the graphics card and put a new power supply and just use it for right now. So we tried that. So I went to put this in there. Well, obviously this thing is huge for the space. So where the hard drives went, the casing, drilled out the rivets.
All right.
Tried to modify it. So I had these taken out, so that's now out. Got the card in there. Got the power supply in there, but then we realized that that's a 24 pin, that's an 8 pin. So then I bought that little
version.
Yeah. So got this, got it all in place, and got it to come on.
Mm-hmm.
So I was like, perfect. Went to install the driver. Says access denied. Tried to reinstall, everything went fine right up until the final few seconds of the install, and they said it failed to install driver. So right now it's just using the generic driver for it. So I don't know what is wrong.
Okay.
So we need to get this stuff in here and working. All right, so we got the computer dropped off over here at All Gen Computers out here in San Antonio. Spoke with Randy, he's the tech, and they're pretty confident they can get it all done in just a couple of days, maybe 3 days at most. So that's the hope. I don't want any delays. That puts a hamper on what we're doing, and we don't need that right now. We want to make sure that everything continues to move forward, move smoothly, so we can keep creating our content that we're creating. That's pretty much where we are. So we'll give you an update later as we know more. But for now, just, fingers crossed, right? Let's make sure that we can get all this taken care of and there's no issues. And until then, I'm Daniel with Texas Barndominiums. We are Texas Barndominiums.